In this video, we are unboxing this super cute, huge package of Happy Mail from my friend Sadie. Then we are decorating the Wild Styled Happy Planner for the week of November 16th. Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch new videos every week about creative planning and productivity. First of all, look how stinking cute this package is from Sadie. Sadie, thank you so much. Let's see what she sent. Look how cute this giant envelope is. Oh, look how cute. Aww. Oh my gosh, Sadie sent the sweetest little letter and adorable card with all these little cute unicorns. Let's see what's in this package. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys, look how cute. Oh, look how cute. Oh my gosh, Sadie, you're so talented. This is so cute. You can snap it right into your planner. The shaker. Included the tabs so that I can punch them into my planner. I cannot believe how much stuff she put in this care package. Oh my goodness. Look at this unicorn. It's so pretty. Stickers with rose gold, my favorite, and pink roses, also my favorite. Look at these washi tapes. More unicorns. These are so cool. I hope they can go on, it's iron-on applique, so not sure how it's gonna go on a planner cover, but it's going on something. Look at these. Oh my gosh, my little unicorns. Look at these ornaments. How cool are these? I've never seen anything like that. Those are super cool. We're definitely gonna need these in a holiday spread coming soon. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Are those little stickers in there? Unbelievable. They're like little gem stickers in a jar. That is awesome. Oh my gosh, there's even more. Look at this. Sadie, I'm totally gonna have to start making shakers. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe all of this stuff. Look at these little unicorn clips. How cute. Pink and purple glitter. A pen pouch with little unicorns on it. Oh, there's more. Unbelievable. Oh, look at this stuff. A pen with a gem on the end. What is that? Bling stickers. Oh, those are cool. They're little flower blings. Love. Swarovskis. Love. More bling. Look at this unicorn sticky note. Oh, there's more. There's little rainbows behind it. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's another one of these. Look how cute. All the glitter. And a little heart paper clip. Oh my gosh, a bag tag with the unicorn. How cute. A little stationery kit. Star and rainbow. Butterflies and glitter. Unicorn notepad. Unicorn little journal. Unicorn notepad. It looks like with pink lines. Sparkle stickers. Oh my gosh, where did you even find these? Unicorn dreamer stickers. How adorable. And more adorable, cute, puffy stickers. Sadie, you went above and beyond. Thank you so much. That was so amazing and generous and just totally cheered me up and made my day. Thank you, Sadie, so much. That was amazing. Okay, so here's our challenge for this week. I've been wanting to use these fall colored florals from the Flowers sticker book, and we're going to incorporate some of these new goodies from Sadie in this unicorn theme. This designed washi tape with the green and that kind of teal blue with rose gold is going to look kind of coordinate with this floral design. You can use washi tape two ways: as a decorative element in your spread, or to delineate certain days that you have assigned for holidays, vacation, travel, work, whatever you want to assign to it. I usually use washi decoratively during the weeks. I saw a couple of really cool box stickers that will go with our color theme back here. This one with the polka dots. Let's start with that one. And maybe this week we'll decorate the center part. Let's put a couple of boxes. I'm gonna put things at an angle. Let me grab a couple more. I like these boxes with the patterns in the background. So let's grab this pink one. So we'll have a polka dot one on each page and a pattern one on each page. Next up is checklists and bullet points, and this page has some really cute bullet points that we can grab, like these little polka dot dots. Let's put a couple on the weekend in between the days so that we can use them for both days. And a couple on this side also. Here are a couple of checklists, so let's grab those. Maybe a teal one for Monday and a pink one for Thursday and Friday. Maybe we'll put this down here. All right, let's layer in some of these cute quotes and cute unicorn stickers. This one matches the washi. I love that. Let's put that over in our column over here. And then once we pick out some of these, we will decorate the whole spread with these fall florals. I like this little good vibes. The colors match. So I want to layer these on our little boxes here. I just think that would look cool. I like these little word stickers. Let's grab these. We'll put one over here for the weekend. And then one, maybe both of these. Maybe we'll put work week, or just work. How about here? With an arrow. I think we have to have a unicorn in this corner, along with a quote. Let's do that. All right, I want two more little quotes to go on each of these, and I really like this dream big, dreamer, and this girl power one. Where? I think I like them like that. Oh, maybe like this. All right, let's see if we can tie in some of these fall floral stickers here. I hope they're going to turn out to just kind of work with it. So there are 3 sheets in here with fall florals. Okay, here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking we can put the leaves all the way across the bottom because we have space, not the leaves, these, and then put the leaves at the very top like they're falling down. I'm going to start off with the green floral, and I think I'm going to overlap some of them. So to start with, they're all going to go off the page, and then I'll trim them. Non-stick scissors to the rescue. Okay, I think I want to add a little bit of the fall leaves at the bottom, and then the rest I want to put like in between the dates at the top. Let's see how that looks. Like just a couple of them here and there. These little single ones, maybe 1 or 2 on each page. Maybe just over here. This page I think is good. All right, so let's add these at the top in between the dates. Maybe just down the center. Oh, that would look cool. Let's do that. Maybe this last one can go on this side down here. I want to add a little bit of the florals under November. And another piece in a different color, like that. Okay, I want to name our theme Fall Magic. So I grabbed the yellow fall sticker book to see if I could find some words that say fall, and there's a little black sticker that says hello fall. We also have letters we could use to write out fall. Maybe we'll use letters, or this sticker, hello fall, or just that fall. We could letter fall and then magic. All right, I think it's gonna go in this corner. So I'm gonna grab some letters, green ones to write out fall. I always like my letters to go different directions. I don't like them to be perfect. Then let's grab this gold magic over here. Figure out where that's going. I think just like here. I like that. Okay, what do you think? We have a fall unicorn combination spread this week. A huge thank you goes out to Sadie for the awesome Happy Mail. You are awesome. And let's just pop in one more thing. We're going to want this super cute unicorn shaker in this week. To get your free Power Plan checklist, which will walk you through the Power Plan system that I use for decorative and functional planning, there will be a link in the description box to the Planner Channel website where you can get that and join the newsletter. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, share with your friends, hit that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!